In this video, I'll show you how to make money on YouTube without having to create videos. You can easily earn over $1,000 per week by being creative, and you don't even need any expensive camera gear. Start earning now by following my simple tips. People just like you are taking copyrighted music from somewhere on the internet and reposting it on YouTube, where they make money. These channels attract a lot of visitors and views. You can see that what this channel does is simply upload a single photo with music in the background. The kicker? They don't even own the music. I'll show you an example of a channel that has used this approach to make money online. I'll go through the process step by step and show you how to do it. It is critical that you follow the steps in the video exactly as they are, because if you don't, you won't get paid. So, pay attention. You can generate a lot of money by following the steps outlined in this video. Hello, Cashflow Girl here, and thank you for watching the channel where I'll show you how to make money online. Please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Also, please do not forget to like, and if you have any questions, thoughts, or ideas, please leave a comment below. I'm going to show you an example of a channel that has used this technique to make money online. First, let's see how much this channel makes by copying the YouTube channel's name. Then, let's go into socialblade.com. Socialblade is a website that allows you to examine the analytics and statistics of every YouTube channel, as well as obtain deeper insight into the channel. Let's use the Socialblade calculator and input the channel's username we copied earlier. Here's an example of what the average daily, monthly, and even yearly earnings look like for this channel. Despite posting copyrighted music every day, this channel makes thousands of dollars each day by utilizing this approach. However, these funds are earned through advertising. The great thing about this method is that it doesn't require any special skills or equipment. How can you make money with no ad revenue, fewer subscribers, and less views? Stay until the end of the video as we will walk through how this is done. Many people all over the world use copyrighted music to create their content. This is because copyrighted music is powerful and useful for creating content. There are millions of creators who need copyrighted music every day, so it's a great way to be productive. This channel, for example, only uploads a single image with music in the background. This is a type of channel that always generates traffic and receives views. You can see that it simply adds a single picture with music playing in the background. They don't own the songs, they just repost them on YouTube, taking copyrighted music from somewhere on the internet. It's really easy and straightforward. All you have to do is locate an image and then identify copyrighted music. There's no need for expensive camera equipment or expert video editing skills. All you need is a few minutes of your time. We can use different resources to create videos that we can monetize without selling anything to our audience. This means you don't have to sell anything to them. The first thing we're going to do is find an image that looks like these. We might use a picture of nature, like on the beach or in a pretty place. I'll show you 3 locations where you can get some free pictures. Pixabay is a good website to visit if you want to find some free images. This site has millions of high-quality stock photos and videos that you can use for free. You can add images to your ad by uploading them from your computer. Let's try ocean views. There are a lot of fantastic photographs to choose from. Simply click on the photo you wish to use and then the download button below it. If the picture is automatically downloaded to your PC, please make sure that your computer has enough storage space or use a free program called Cloud Connect. You can also find images to use on a website called pexels.com. This website is similar to Pixabay, but if you can't find what you're looking for in Pixabay, you can try here. You can also find images on the website unsplash.com. The next thing we'll do is find a copyright-free song to use to make money. You can find copyright-free music on the YouTube audio library. This is what the page looks like. You can find music by selecting a genre, mood, and instrument on this page. You can play the music to see if you like it before you choose it. You can also find copyright-free sound effects on this page. If you want to download it, just click on this download button right here You can download as many songs as you want, and every single day, there will be music that is available for you to use. The next thing that we're going to do is combine the files that we have downloaded earlier. There are many ways to accomplish this. If you're an Apple user, you may use Movie Maker or freeshot.org for free software. This software is available from Next, Apple, and Windows Easy Use. You can also use the website clideo.com. You don't need to download and install some software just to get started. You can just directly edit video from your browser. After you've chosen your video file, click Choose File. Choose the files you want to utilize, and the website will automatically upload them for you. You can now add music to your videos that you downloaded earlier. This will help make your video look better. To do this, stretch the image so it fits the entire video. Now that your video is finished, it's time to make some money off of it. The description box has links to the song's downloads. Because they are interested in the music, a lot of people will click your link. Just put the download link at the top of the description box. Basically, you earn money when someone downloads music that you have uploaded. You plan to use 2 separate platforms. First, FileUp.org is a free cloud storage and data sharing service that allows you to upload files to store on the cloud for free. This website is a great way to make money. If someone downloads your files, they will have to pay you. To learn more, click on the Make Money Right Here link. You get $7 per 1,000 downloads, which is a decent sum. Simply go to this page and upload the songs. Select Start Uploading Files Immediately by clicking the button. Then, copy and paste the links that appear into your browser window. Now, I'd like you to copy the link and then go to another platform known as shrinkearn.com. This website allows you to shorten your URL, and for each click that you get, they are going to pay a lot of money. Paste the link from Download File app here. Then, let's go over to the publisher. Read it so that I can show you how much money you may make on this website. As you can see here, they will pay you $3 to $20 depending on the country your clicks are coming from. When you combine these 2 websites, you may earn $27 per click. This is a very simple and straightforward technique to increase your income online by uploading every day. As you can see, it's easy to make money on YouTube without even having to create videos. All you need is a little creativity and a great personality, and you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation for how to make money with YouTube in 2022. Check out the link in the description below for more details. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your Cashflow girl. See you in the next one!